If you want to check the activation date on a Motorola Moto G87, you can, for example, open settings on your phone. And the first thing that we can do is we can scroll down a little bit and go to battery settings. Then over here in battery settings, you should be able to find battery info. And here we can see the date of first use, which is a good indicator of when the phone was activated for the first time. Besides that, what you can also do is in settings, you can go to Google over here. Once you open Google Services, you want to tap on your Google account, and then you choose Manage your Google account. After that, you should be able to go to Security and Sign In. And here, scroll down to find Sessions on Android phones. We can go here, and you should be able to choose your Motorola Moto G87. There we go. You might also need to verify yourself with the fingerprint or screen lock password. There we go, in order to continue. And then we should be able to see the first sign-in date over here. Now, keep in mind that you want to use the same Google account that you used for the first time on your phone once you got it. And of course, if you signed into your Google account for the first time later on than on the day when you got your phone, then of course this information might be slightly invalid. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.